It sure is a nice day today. Now that I have Sonic Boom Season 1 Volume 2 on DVD, I am gonna start watching it. Hey, you! What? Don't watch it because there's a scary NCircle Entertainment logo on it. Oh goodness, it's a talking Nintendo Switch. You told me about the NCircle Entertainment logo that will scare me? Just watch it and you'll see for yourself, will you? Oh, okay. I don't know why the case is white, but who cares? Which disc should I watch? Disc 1 or disc 2? I'm gonna watch disc 1 because I want to see the Mayor Knuckles episode. Alright. Let's start watching some Sonic Boom, and let's see how scary this logo is. Ooh, the warning. That's very important. Oh no, what's that noise? Oh no, 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 no! Ah! Told you, Big Bird.